Hello, my dear friends. Today we're going to create this stunning artwork. Just look at that. Her face was stolen, is lying here, and we have here these beautiful colors. This artwork is like really old. So old that if you would go to my Instagram, you would have to scroll endlessly to find it. But before we get into the tutorial, let me just remind you that on my website learnfromfred.com you can access over 60 premium projects for glitch artworks, dreamy artworks, fantasy artworks, animations, Photoshop 3D, and so much more. So if you just go to my website, you can access all of my premium Photoshop and After Effects classes for just $9. And I just want to remind you that in this tutorial everything is going to go quick, which means that you need to have at least basic Photoshop knowledge to understand what is going on. Let's import our beautiful image. I will go now to filter and the camera raw filter to start editing the colors. Good, this looks really nice. I'm gonna take Curvature pen tool and start cutting off her face. And let's just start from here. Bim. I'm just gonna hold Ctrl or Command to select this shape. I'm gonna go to this image. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna create a mask, and voila, as you can see now we have only the face. But of course I'm gonna create a copy and delete the mask on the second copy. So now we have two different layers. I forgot the name. One only the face, one the whole image. I'm just gonna take the whole image and move it down, and now we have this image of the doll. So let's just, let's make it lie down here in a piece. Look at this, so peaceful. Let's turn on this shape now, and I'm gonna start giving it some magnificent rainbow colors. So
just gonna select the pen tool again, and gonna go to fill, gradient, and let's see what type of gradient we can give to our beautiful shape.
So, oh yeah, baby, this looks good. Another thing is that we need to get rid, unfortunately, of the lips and the eyelashes, because it needs to be the border of the face. We don't need to see there anything else. I know this sounds pretty cruel, but what can I say? I'm a bad person, yeah. But I guess we already know that. I'm gonna take my beautiful spot healing brush tool and start getting rid of these things. La 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 la.
La 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 la, goodbye. Sorry, go.
And of course the lips as well, just a little bit, just. Now I need to continue and create the whole shape. As you can see, these whole lines. I'm just gonna add a few more lines here, voila. And voila, finished, we are done. Of course I'm kidding, you thought this is going to be the artwork? Come on guys. So I'm just gonna select all of them, okay? I'm gonna go to layer, I'm gonna go to combine shapes, I'm gonna go to unite shapes, and voila. And of course we just need to change the gradients to this one. So now I'm just gonna create here a few more colors in our gradient palette, and if I just click here, here we gotta go with some greenish beautiful colors.
Oops, what am I doing? Here we gotta go with some other colors, and something like this should be good.
So now I'm just gonna right click and convert this into a smart object. I'm gonna create a mask, and I'm gonna make sure that this part of the line is behind the face. I'm gonna go to filter noise and add some noise to this. Okay, let's see, this is looking good. And now let's go to stylization and add some oil paint. Stylization to 100%. Well, why it's not? Okay, now it's working. Boom. Next step is to create an empty layer, attach it to this shape only. So basically right click, create clipping mask. And now with just simple black colored brush I can create this nice shadow if I just decrease opacity and flow. I'm gonna go to this face, create a copy of it, Okay, I'm gonna move one copy down, and I'm also gonna make it darker. So basically just decrease the brightness and increase contrast, and voila, now it's getting this nice 3Dness effect. We also need to create some shadows here, so just create an empty layer and let's start drawing here some shadows like this. Now I really dislike the fact that these edges are so edgy. Okay, we need to make them smoother. I'm gonna create an empty layer. I'm gonna take this magnificent smudge tool. Oh yeah baby, just like that. Boom, boom, boom. And now things are not looking that smooth anymore, are they? Few final steps would be just to go and play with brightness, because this is pretty dark, so I'm gonna just increase brightness and decrease contrast a bit. Okay, this is looking good. I'm gonna combine everything into a smart object tool, go to filter and camera filter just to give everything another color editing. And ba-bam! Congratulations my dear friends, we did it. If you want to choose the artwork for next tutorial, make sure to go to my channel, to community tab, and here you can upvote or downvote artworks. I'm posting here artworks few times per week and asking you whether you want me to create a tutorial for this artwork or not. And the ones that get enough upvotes, I'm going to do tutorials for them, okay? That means that you also need to turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss the posts or videos. Make sure to leave a like and check out learnfromfred.com. Thank you, my dear friends. Bye bye.